Okay, so this is how I make my French toast. I start off with about 1 egg and 1/4 cup of milk, and I add some cinnamon, about a pinch of salt, and some sugar, about 2 teaspoons, and then I mix this up. What this is basically your egg wash you're gonna use for the bread, and mine didn't mix up completely, so I had to use this coffee mixer. I don't know what it was, but moving on. Then in a pan that's already hot, you're gonna wanna get some butter, melt that down, and then get your egg wash and whatever type of bread you're using. This was a French loaf that was sliced up, and dip it inside the egg wash on both sides, then put it in the hot pan, and you can put as many as you want. I put a whole bunch because there's a lot of pieces. When you're making the French toast, you're gonna wanna cook these for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side on a medium-low heat. And sometimes the time limit can change depending on what type of bread you're using. Once they are done cooking, you're gonna wanna mix up some brown sugar, regular sugar, and cinnamon and toss it around, and it should come out looking like this. And if you wanna get real fancy, you could add some powdered sugar and some syrup. And that's pretty much it, so thanks for watching.
Eat, ugly.